I've been watching you. Just come to me.
Hi, Sonia there.
Yeah, hold on. I'll let you talk
Hi,
to
Sonia
her.
there.
Yeah, I'll let you talk to her. Hold on.
Okay. Hello?
Sonia, you got a call. Don't call me again. Go get him there, buddy. Yeah, go get him. You got the red light up there.
That's not really crazy driving. Wait, what?
That guy was in a hurry.
What? Come on. Well, I thought I was missing something.
You didn't miss anything.
Okay.
Term providers help thousands of people like you who think they can't afford term life insurance. To buy $1 million of affordable term life for you, all you need to do is call.
Oh, good job there, buddy. That's a good job. You turned right from the straight-only lane on a red light. I love it.
Renews the pledge of service she once made, that it was brought up to cherish a sense of duty to others.
I said I'm not going to pick it up. Good job, buddy.
You did.
He's coming on over. He's coming.
Learn more driving.
Yeah, you saw me. They're open here.
And they're open.
Okay.
I can see. How do I turn?
Yeah, you got to get in the middle lane. Don't turn until you got these cars. Oh boy, what's this guy
doing right in front of me? What?
We're turning left. Don't bug your horn at us. We can't turn left though until the people that you were in front of go by.
He could go now. There's. Oh my god.
And what's this guy now? He wants to get. You're crazy.
Learn more driving.
I don't know what his problem was.
Oh, good passing lane there, buddy. Hey, that was a good move. Good job.
The report questions why, in the absence of a strong incident commander.
Go, baby, go. Go, Ricky Racer. I saw him coming up. He was moving out.
In February, I was teleworking, and I kept asking to go back to work, and they said, no, you don't have the vaccine. So I succumbed to getting the vaccine, and in February, and then I believed everything that was going on, even though a lot of people said, oh no.
He's going to step back from duties but not resign from the LA City Council. And these crimes he's accused of took place when he was on the LA County Board of Supervisors, which he left to rejoin the LA City Council because people like this just go from government job to government job. When they're termed out, they have to find another landing spot. And what was left...
That car over there trying to come out of the McDonald's, if he's trying to turn left and he doesn't want to turn left at the stoplight, he's going to have a long wait. This is a terrible traffic day. If I was that white car behind that car there in McDonald's and I wanted to get out, I'd be mad as hell right now. He ain't gonna be able to get out. Now you got traffic coming from the other direction. One of those days.
Exactly. Like I am waiting to see if you grow a third eye.
What's the limit?
Oh yeah, come on in, buddy. Come on. Why don't you all force yourself in there? Good golly. You know, I've been in the back of the line about a mile or two back there, and I had to wait in line, and now you're just coming in here now? Now you're gonna force yourself now? Huh? Good golly. Come on in. Welcome. Good. That dog doesn't care.
Operator, a small farm owner, if a consultant or independent contractor in Cuba wants to do business with Americans, they can. There is no
Learn more driving.
Protests broke out on the streets of Cuba against its leaders. Cuban Americans in Florida have taken to the streets to protest as well.
Turtle.
Yeah, that's real Thor.
Freezes it.
This guy definitely don't want to flip over going more than 25 miles an hour around the curve.
Of the top food item that we are searching, that we can't find anymore.
Yeah, and what part of the country specifically, because Google breaks it down by region,
okay.
is searching for these things. They say there's 4 things that people are Googling right now that, I don't know, they're having a problem finding.
Come on,
can't find.
Mandate. During the Dripping Springs Independent School District Board meeting Monday, the dad told members the naked truth about masks in a speech that...
That was just the plan anyway.
What the hell?
Learn more driving.
Where's this guy going? You know, why do you even pull in there? You're blocked. Why did he even pull in there?
He's crazy. He knows
He didn't see that big truck there? Yeah, a bunch of line cutters up there again today. Look at them all hurrying up there to cut in line right there before you get on the ramp to the bridge. Look at them. Oh my goodness. No wonder this line's moving so slow. We got Line Cutter City out here. Got motorcycle line cutting. No, you slowed down. Oh boy, what do we have up there? Motorcycle in the car almost collided. A few days ago I put the ones from He's carrying a surfboard on a motorcycle. That's pretty good. Surfboard on a motorcycle.